lahat ng pinagdaanan namin na hirap. And then ngayon, nasa semis kami and I think number 3 pa kami. So, yeah, very thankful and kailangan mag-prepare para sa semis.
Thank you, Seth. So naman sabi mo semi-finals, tapos medyo dominant win pa against Jerfler.
I think ito yung time na dapat hindi kami maging complacent kasi going to semis, magiging mabigat yung mga games namin. And yun, we're really preparing para sa semis.
Thank you, Maggie. Happy birthday. What are your thoughts on today's game?
Of course, we're very happy, but the job's not over. So now we have to recover and practice for the coming games.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
For Valley and Cez, what will be the mindset sa semis? Kasi most likely, Choco Mucho na yung makakalaban yun na 10 straight wins na tinapos yung elites.
So I think yung first mindset namin is to focus on our strength dahil yung mga kalaban namin nga, like I said, talagang nirespeto namin and nataas yung mga volleyball IQ din ng mga kalaban namin dito sa semis. And yun, again, magpa-prepare kami and mag-focus kami sa strength namin dahil yun yung nawala sa amin dito sa elites nung nakalaban namin yung mga nakatalo sa amin na nasa semis din. So again, mag-focus kami sa sarili namin at sa team namin.
I think what we're gonna focus on the most is our teamwork, the strength of the team is one another. So coming into the semis, it's really gonna be more challenging. Everyone wants it. So yeah, we're just gonna work as one.
Kay Coach po, gano'ng kalaking bagay, Coach, na bumalik kayo sa service kasi kung first all-Filipino natin, hindi kayo bumalik.
So, siyempre, like yung sinabi ko kanina, sobrang happy. But, kailangan talaga yung magiging happy namin this time, mapalitan namin ng talagang sobrang eagerness na trabahuin lahat kung ano yung kailangan namin. And malaking tiwala ako sa team and siguro ako personally kailangan i-condition ko rin sarili ko para may pasa ako sa kanila kung ano yung magiging game plan para sa semis.
Coach, looking ahead lang sa semis against Choco Mucho, maganda yung naging takbo nila. Paano lang magiging approach yung against Coach Dante this team?
Like yung sinabi nung dalawa, siguro yung mas focus kami sa strength namin. Alam ko kung ano yung kayang gawin ng team namin. Puro mas maging consistent lang and yung quality nung ilalaro namin, especially dun sa game 1 namin ng series. So yun lang naman, knowing them na, yun nga, like yung respect namin, sobrang taas dun sa team na yun. And sa coaches nila, so I think hindi masyadong pag-uusapan yung skills, siguro yung eagerness na gustuin mong manalo this coming series. So, thank you.
Thank you, Coach.